A staff or office member may quit the company, but the communication with clients does not end with the staff quitting. Some functions need to be suspended, some active. Under such situations, we need to suspend email account. So let's see how to do it in Cpanel. First, we need to log into Cpanel using the Cpanel login username and password, which will take us to Cpanel settings page. We need to enter email accounts page under email section. Here, we need to select the email account we want to suspend and click the Manage button, which will take us to this Manage Email Account page. Here, we need to edit some of the settings to suspend certain functions in the email account. We need to keep allowing incoming emails to be received into this email account. Next, we can either suspend or put hold on sending outgoing emails. And lastly, this logging in function we need to suspend, so that the person who has quit cannot access the email account. And finally, click this button to update the changes made in suspending the email account. And done suspending email account successfully. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.